नमस्ते मेरे प्यारे बच्चों। Today we are going to start our topic, that is unification of Germany, under our topic of class 10, that is the rise of nationalism in Europe. Now, unification of Germany was taken into consideration under the elected parliament of Germany, which made it a nation state. Now, how the process of actually unification of Germany started was, looking into the map of German unification system, you can go through the map, following it up, how the unification process was a slow and steady process, but definitely came into consideration. Now, looking at the first point, as you can see, the Austro-Prussian War. Austro-Prussian War in June 1866, the Austrians declared war against the Austria, and they easily captured Austria, making it under the subordinate country of it, which Bismarck did not wanted to act Austria as its subordinate. It was called a long drawn 7-year war. Coming to our next point. In the first point, you have gone through that Prussia attacked Austria and captured Austria. So because of the cause, Austria was expelled from the German Confederation. 21 states north to the Even River. So the river Main formed is a North German Confederation. So these areas of 21 states of North were in the German Confederation, which was led by Prussia. Next point, as you can see, the southern German states had to pay money to Prussia and enter the military alliance. So these were some of the factors which they add on to the Prussian. At this point, you can clearly see Bismarck took steps to isolate Austria, including the area for their access to Holstein. So they cannot access the area of Holstein, which were made aloof from their reaching points. And also he persuaded France to not support Austria, because Austria was totally expelled from the Prussian area or from the German Confederation. Italy was to be supporting Prussia, but Russia refused to support Prussia. So now Prussia was to be supported by Italy to form a German Confederation. You can very well see from the point that Bismarck proposed that the Prussian prince will be capturing the Spanish throne. It clearly depicts that France will be surrounded. The authority of the France has been taken away by the Prussian prince. On the whole, Bismarck also published Ems telegram. It means he also produced a document which clearly defines that it was an insult of France to dethrone them from Spanish throne. Now at a glance you can see the steps of unification. 7 War, Prussia to be in German Confederation, removal of Austria, similarly North German Confederation, and along with this you can follow the map. The map clearly depicts the German Confederation of different states being added to the unification of Germany. And last but not the least, the mastermind of this unification of Germany, Otto von Bismarck, that is the whole and soul first Chancellor to unite the German Confederation. The war of the German Confederation, the year of the war, what were the two types of war, that is 7-year war and Prussia-Austria war, what were the causes as well as the effects of the war. Effects of the war, as you can see, I clearly see, the France found himself to be humiliated because Spanish throne was given away to the Prussian prince. Austria was expelled from the German Confederation, and on the whole, it was also not allowed to access the Holstein area. So this is how Bismarck played a whole and sole role of unification of Germany. After being victorious, the Persia emerged as a victorious nation state. After the unification, this unification was done in 18 Jan 1871. So the whole process of unification and finally throning the seat to a ruler was done in 18th January 1871. A German emperor, Kaiser William I, was declared as the emperor of this newly built German Confederation at the Halls of Mirrors. This was done at the Hall of Mirror by a ceremonial function. After the Confederation was built, what did they wanted to achieve, or what were their highlighting points which they wanted to follow in their newly built German Confederation? That was, they focused on modernizing the currency. They wanted to improvise their banking system, and on the whole, they were looking forward to the better legal and judicial systems which may lead to the development of the newly born German. Thank you.